this, which I've already shaped it to fit the body in a certain place, so once I get it there I'll know. That's it. There. I quite like that positioning, so I'm just going to mark that. As you can see, I've marked all the holes for the shroud to go round. All line up pretty well. I'm just going to start drilling them now. Make sure you always use jack stands. Make sure before you weld anything on a car that you always disconnect the battery first. Right, so now I've put the exhaust on. Fab piece goes out the side. I haven't done that yet, but the valve just sits in to here, and I'll just route the cable up through one of the holes in the underneath where the tray sits. Under here, pretty sure there's supposed to be a bung in it, but I ain't got one, so you know. Put that up there. I need to order a piece that curves that end down. And the gaskets haven't arrived yet that were supposed to come with this. I've messaged the seller on eBay and they're sending me out within 2 days, but I don't believe that. So we're just going to install it without for now because it'll only be a few days. There will be a video on me changing the subframe brace because that's crusty as hell. The rest of the underneath of the car doesn't seem that bad. Just surface rust. So what I've done is I've pulled the cable up from under the exhaust valve into a little hole that was in the bottom of where this goes, where your golf ball holder goes. And I'm just going to be running the cable pretty much the same route as what these cables go. I'm going to see if I can find out where they go. So I'm going to go around here, pull them through. Right, so we routed the cable through the boot, across the parcel shelf roof area, and then underneath this carpet, pulled the clips off, ran the cable just behind, and then took off the centre console just to pull the cable through. There we go. So I got the cable there, the switch is fitted into there. And where we're going to be getting power from is the cigarette lighter. So undo the two screws at the front and the bottom of the centre console. Once you've got the actual centre console out, lift that forward. 2 wires, yellow is positive and black negative. Right, so we got the wiring done. Listen for it. Yeah boy, looking good.